The aging in place industry is growing exponentially as companies try to innovate new technologies that help people live healthier, happier lives independently for longer periods of time. And David, your personal journey in founding GG Care, which is short for Grand Care, what you call your grandma, is a really interesting personal journey and story. Can you tell us about it?
My grandmother moved in with me about 7 years ago. She was living alone. It was quite a journey. When she moved in with me, I didn't know exactly what to do, but we sort of got used to each other and living with each other. And when it came time for her to move out, because she was a fiercely independent woman, I was worried about what that independence would look like. That's how I came with the concept of GG Care.
Are there a few things that GG Care can do to really help mitigate the problem in the early going? Or is this something where you really think you have to create a roadmap that helps carers deal with a wide range of problems?
For elderly care and dementia, we would love to solve the problems for everybody, but it is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The future roadmap for us looks like a very modular system where you can interplay many different devices, many different technologies, so that way, by making it modular, you could also make it personal. So, even for Alexa has so many different devices. Some people work better with a screen. Some people work better with just the audio. So that has the same applications go to other technologies that can assist. So we're really looking at multitudes of different ways and really trying to make it as personal for the care recipient and the carer to deal with their personal experience.
What is the roadmap for software that you're building on the Alexa? Recognizing you have a longer term roadmap for other devices, but on Alexa, what does it look like in the coming months and years?
Specifically on Alexa, we're working on a B2B solution. So I did a test bed with Connected Places Catapult and the University of Brighton Hove City Council, where they wanted to see how can technology save carers time and give them some much needed respite. In that process, we also learned that a lot of the people who used it, they want to be able to go about with it. So two things. One, we're looking to put Alexa on our system on a watch, so that way it'd be mobile with them, using the same voice assistant technology. And secondly, when it comes to a B2B solution, how can we use our own software within a care home setting now? So people in care homes, they tend to stay in their rooms more, but they like to be connected to their family, where family will be able to have drop-in calls, video calls, and also public announcements for the care home, like if bingo's on today, or if there is, if your friends and family are coming, and just general announcements that I think will ease the life in the institutional care setting.
David, what do you think about the additional devices you can add? Google Home, the Apple Home products. Is there a roadmap that's near term for that, or can Alexa solve so much of this that you envision building out on Alexa for the longer term?
I mean, we call ourselves device agnostic and data driven. So, we love Amazon Alexa for what it's done, but we're not tying ourselves to one device. So we're looking at how we can put it onto Google Home, Samsung Bixby. We just got a grant from Innovate UK to convert what is essentially a chatbot for Alexa into an IVR telephone system. So an IVR system is, when you call your bank and you have a customer service and
Right.
they ask you to, say your card number, directs you to the right customer service agent. That's the sort of how we're looking at approaching it, just converting the chatbot from the Alexa to the telephone. So that's the first step. We've just got the grant from Innovate UK, so we're working on that product right now.
There's a lot of mixed views out there right now about an AI becoming friendly with someone, particularly in an aging in place context, versus being more robotic, and the pros and cons of that. An AI becoming very friendly ideally would help people feel less lonely, feel happier about their own quality of life, but is there some negative to that? What is your view on how AI will evolve in aging in place care?
I think the AI train has left the station. I think that it is here to stay. However, we always tell all of the people who sign up to GG Care, we are not looking to replace you as a carer. We're looking to assist you. And I think that's where AI is going to come into place, where it's going to be one of many tools that can assist carers save time for themselves, provide better care, and get a better understanding of their loved ones.